Hi guys. Okay, so I've had a lot of questions on how to do peer review, and in one class, no one did it correctly, so we ended up delaying so that I could actually go through and figure out what happened and make sure that we had a better understanding of how to do that next time. So I have posted a video in the announcements that is from Canvas that walks you through every step of the peer review from their side. I also kind of wanted to walk you through how to do it for my classes as well. So let's go down to the assignments. To find your peer review, you will first need to submit the essay being reviewed. Then you will go back and, so let's say we're doing the compare contrast. You'll go back to where you originally submitted that essay. So you'll see I've submitted an assignment called test. And if there were peer reviews, because I can't peer review a test student, but if there were, then we would click at a link right here. That would open the peer review window, and it would look like your essay looks like when I grade it. So you'll see the paper, and then you should see the comments on the side. Then after you've read through the paper, you can do the rubric if you want as well. Then you'll come back over here or through modules. It's up to you which way you want to do it. And you'll go to the peer review assignment, peer review, compare, contrast essay. You'll download the peer review form. You'll fill it out. You'll submit it here, but then you'll also go back and submit it where the original essay was. So let me go find that again. Here we go. So you'll go here, and you will put it an attachment for the peer review in a comment on the paper being peer reviewed. So for the peer review that appears right here. That way your peer will also get a copy of it. If your peer doesn't get a copy of it, it defeats the point of peer review. And so I can't give you points for it. I wish I could go in as a specific student and so that I could actually walk you through this more effectively. But I can't. That functionality doesn't exist here. So make sure that you watch that announcement video that I put up. I put it up a few weeks ago, but that I put up again earlier today, right here, to walk through how to do that. And on the screen it's on right here, it says media, comment, and attach a file. Where that attach a file is where you'll put the peer review form for your peer to see and use to apply the feedback. I hope that's helped clarify some things, and I'll see you guys in a couple days.